of our subscribers asked me to do more videos for a miniature album. So I decided to do miniature album for a Rakshabandhan. I already made so many miniature album for birthday, anniversary. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. If you guys like the videos, hit a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video.
First, I'm taking a white chart in a given measurements. Then fold it in 0.5 cm on each sides. Now stick this using a glue. Our base is ready. Now I'm taking a photo. Let's see how I edit it. I'm using a PicsArt app for editing. First click the edit the photo option and then select the background. I'm choosing an orange color for a background. You can choose any color you want. Then I'm cropping a background into 3:4 ratio. Then click the add photo option and select the photo you want to add. I'm also cropping the image into 3:4. So many guys ask me how you edit the photos, which app I'm using. This is how I am editing the photo. I'm using a PicsArt for editing. Our image is ready. Then download it. This is how I edited this photo. I printed 10 photos. Now we are going to stick the images in a base. You can easily make it in your home and it also very budget friendly. It only needs a chart and the images. I'm using glossy paper for printing images. Tada! Our album is ready.
I hope you guys like this video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this